What is that? Oh, who is that in there? Who's that little princess? Hello, do you remember this little girl? Last September we did her 3 months photo shoot. She is so cute. When the mom contacted us again to organize a cake smash session. Oh my god! Her mom wants a dreamy fairy setup. Reference photo was from my New York City host. I know to overpass her setup, I need to be very But have you guys seen me losing any games? Hey guys， 今天要开组杂蛋糕，这是这个礼拜第2台蛋糕，一共有6台。Alright, come on, let's do the cake first. Yes, I make the cake myself to match the theme colors. Can you guys tell this theme only has one piece of backdrop? Last but not the least, I styled this milk bath with fresh flowers.